One thing you might see in a lot of Canva templates is a framed image or an image that is in some sort of shape. If you want to add a different frame, a different shape, you can go into Canva under Elements and choose or search for frames, and you'll see a variety of different types of frames, and each one has this kind of looks like a ground and a sky with a cloud. If you insert that shape, then you can add any image you want inside of that frame. To edit the positioning of the photo inside the frame, simply double click and you can move it around, you can resize it, and it crops that into the shape of the frame.